got that fender right to the back.
We're at the new shop at my house. We got this dump trailer here. This is the dump trailer that we did the alignment on. This tire was wearing out because the leaf spring on that side had collapsed. So we got new leaf springs. The tire doesn't show any more signs of wear. It is still bald, he hasn't replaced it yet. But it doesn't look any worse than it did. So first complaint on this trailer, does not charge from the car battery, the tow vehicle. And came in here and he had a 5 amp fuse in there. I just ran this with the truck running and it pulls 25 amps. So I put a 30 amp fuse in there. The wiring should be fine, but anyways, 5 amps does not keep up with that. If you unplug the trailer so unplug the light right there, while you're dumping, it would never blow and then it'd trickle charge while you drive. But I think even if you discharge the battery and then started driving, it'd probably still put at least 10 amps in there. So at any rate, it's that's not a concern anymore. The real concern is, you can see that ramp is stuck on that lip, fully inserted. He's not sure how it happened, but it's happened twice. And so what we need to do is get it unstuck first. I think I can just jam a 2x4 in there and pry down and get the ramp free. And once the ramp's free, I'm just gonna put a bar across there on both sides so the ramp never gets stuck again. Because even though you can free it, it's really annoying when you get to the dump and find out that, or wherever you're at, and find out you can't get the ramp out. So it may not be the dump because you probably don't dump with ramps, but anyways, get where you're going and then realize you got a pain in the butt to get the ramps out. So we're gonna get those out and then just put a piece of flat strap across there so the ramp can't push past, and that'll be a wrap on this one. It'll be pretty quick. I imagine this entire thing's only gonna take me 30 minutes. So quick little video. Hey, 30 seconds and that's done. So we can go run in the shop real quick and see what I have that I can just weld across there real fast. If I do a 3-inch strap on each side, I'll be perfectly fine. So I have some bar stock, so it'll just be a strap to go that far on either side. And we'll do it on all 4 corners, and none of the ramps should ever poke through again. It's got that fender right to the back. Alrighty. I have the Lincoln MP210 hooked up in stick mode. I've got a little piece of 6011 electrode on there, just enough to get these tacked on. I have these 3x3 by 1/4 inch plates. I'm just gonna weld like that. It's nothing pretty, nothing fancy, just to stop that ramp from being able to poke through. So. I'm out of stick electrodes. The job is done. I'm going to just clean it up a little bit with a wire wheel, hit it with some rattle can spray paint, and we'll take this trailer back to the customer. Going to hit that with some slim rusty metal primer, and then some just standard flat black enamel. I hope a dump trailer will be one of my next trailer purchases for myself. I really like dump trailers. They're very useful. They're cool to have. And it's just a bummer to have to always rent stuff like that. But anyways, we got the caps on. Gonna get this blocked out and drop the trailer down. Thanks for watching.